If you want to manage tasks, bugs, and progress effectively, learning how to track issues in Jira is essential. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will understand how to track issues step by step, even if you have zero experience. Issue tracking in Jira helps you stay organized, monitor progress, and ensure nothing gets missed. To get started, log into your Jira account and open your project. In Jira, everything is managed as an issue, which can be a task, bug, or story. Go to your project board where all issues are displayed. Next, create issues by clicking on the Create button. Enter details such as title, description, priority, and assignee. Once created, the issue will appear on your board or backlog. To track issues effectively, use workflow statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As work progresses, move issues across these stages. This gives you a clear visual understanding of what is pending and what is completed. You can also assign issues to team members. This ensures accountability and clarity on who is responsible for each task. Use due dates to keep track of deadlines. Another important feature is activity tracking. Open any issue and view its activity section to see updates, comments, and history. This helps you understand what changes have been made over time. Use filters and search to find specific issues quickly. You can apply filters based on status, priority, assignee, or keywords. This is especially useful in large projects. Dashboards are also helpful for tracking multiple issues. Create a dashboard and add gadgets like Assign to Me or filter results to monitor progress in one place. Make sure to update issues regularly and communicate with your team using comments and mentions. This ensures accurate tracking and smooth collaboration. In short, tracking issues in Jira involves creating tasks, updating their status, assigning responsibilities, and using filters and dashboards for better visibility. Now that you understand the process, start tracking your issues effectively and keep your projects on track. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.